Hello everyone. Hi and warm welcome to all of you. Now we are discussing about the banking project using Python. Okay. Now actually this banking project is actually a console based project and it performs all the operations which are usually done in bank account while creating bank account. These are the operations which are performed in bank backend system. I have developed this using Python and I also made two methods, main.py and methods.py, which actually do some specific backend operations using Python for creation of the account and also login details and also the details of the user also saved in the account.txt file. The transactions of the users will be also saved as a statement in transaction.csv file. So actually this is a console based project. Let's check how it's working. Okay, this is the user interface, like console interface. This is not a GUI. So this is a console based project. So we are checking out how is it actually working. Now it's actually asking about creating a new bank account and also login and three for exit. Now we are a new user, right? So we need to press one and entering one. So it is showing that welcome to the account creation. It is asking for our name. Okay. Um, we will enter your name. After that, it asks for your mobile number. After that, we need to set up a password. And my password is uh, these are the account details. E-commerce payment. The account number is generated randomly. As usual in the bank account, the account number will be generated randomly. So it generates a random account number between some range. And all this is the password. And also this is the mobile number. And it is asking again if you want to create a new bank account or log into the bank account if you have one or exit. And interesting thing is these are the account.txt file and this is actually the username which we actually stored in account.txt file. Uh, this is the account number, password, and also name and mobile number which I have entered there. And these are the users who have created the account. And coming to the console, now after creating the bank account, I just wanted to log in. Okay, I will log in. And account number is I need to remember the account number, but I have the account number right here, right? I will copy this and paste it here. And also it will ask for password. If we enter wrong password, if we enter wrong password, it will redirect to the same page where it actually went off. So it will ask for it will ask again for creation of a new bank account and login. We will enter the login again and also we will actually enter the account number. But this time I will enter the correct password, right? Actually, the previous attempt we have entered a wrong password, so it have redirected to the same page where we went off. So this time, make sure enter a correct password as we are checking how it is actually working. So after entering the right account number and right password, we have redirected to the next page, which is the cash deposit or withdraw page, and it's also saying my name, right? Okay. Coming to the, I need to choose any of the option for cash deposit, two for cash withdraw, and three for checking of the balance, and four to exit from the current page. So I just wanted to deposit the cash, right? So I need to enter the amount to deposit. I will enter some 5,000. The amount is deposit successfully. So I need to check my bank balance. Right? Three is okay. The remaining balance is 5,000. Okay. Uh, and the case is when we want to withdraw the money which is not sufficient, right? The actual balance is 5,000 and we want to withdraw the amount 6,000, which is not sufficient. What it actually happens, you need to see, right? So for withdrawing money, I need to press 2 and I am withdrawing 6,000 and it's showing insufficient balance. Please deposit the amount. So it is also handling the insufficient balance option also. And coming to the withdraw, for withdraw 6,000, we need to again add some amount. I'm adding 2,000, uh, and I will check my balance. Now it is 7,000, 5,000 plus 2,000, 7,000. I will withdraw 6,000, right? And is withdrawn successfully, and I will check my balance. This time I'll check my balance. The balance is remaining 1,000. Okay, it is handling all the cases which actually happen in the bank. And after that, I will exit from this. Okay, I will exit from this. Okay, and also exit from the login interface. Okay. Now the actual program is completed. The main part is here is the accounts file and here is the transaction file. Where we done the transactions like here are the transactions we have done. We have deposited the money like 5,000. Total amount is 5,000. And again, we have deposited 2,000 and total is 7,000. And we have withdrawn 6,000 and the remaining amount is 1,000. And this is the main statement statement of the transaction list. And here are the accounts. Every account will be added to the account.txt file. And when every time you log in, you don't need to create a bank account. If once you are created your account, same as like in bank, we can perform the deposit and withdraw operations by logging by your account number and password. And this is the process of the console based Python banking project. And these are the methods and this is the code which I have written for this exact project. And here are the methods which I have called from here. And this is where actually I have mm, initiated the file, right? Here I have initiated the CSV file and also transaction.csv file, and also here I have done some accounts.txt file also. Okay, and this is the actual file which I have here accounts file and here transaction file. I have opened it and appended some of the methods, right? Some of the methods to perform the calculations and print the statements and also save the user information through backend operations using Python. And also the main challenges which I have faced during this project is handling the empty strings. Actually, here we have an empty lines, right? Here we have an empty lines. So there is just so much problem in handling this empty lines. While in new user, not a new user, when an existing user wants to log in through some user account number and also password, we need to store that in a text file. When the actual user enters the account number and password, we need to retrieve it from the actual file, right? But in the actual file, it consists of some spaces. So we need to handle that blank lines. There's a lot of problem happened in handling this file. So I have thought really such a hard way to get out of this problem. After that, I have revised the lectures which I have seen. After revising the lectures and also doing some research in the net how to handle this empty lines, I have found a way, patiently found a way to handle these empty lines. And then I have retrieved the user account name and also account number and also password, and I have authorized and checked if the user account number and password is same. If the entered password and account number is exact same to the saved account number and password, that means he is the right user. So I have allowed the access to log into this account and perform the withdraw and also cash deposit calculations. And this is all about my project. Um, this is a console based project, right? And thank you all for having me. I'm so thankful.